there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our universal storage shelf suitable for vans, campers and commercial vehicles. The shelf is made from vacuum-formed ABS plastic, making it strong and durable for commercial use, perfect for storage of tools, equipment, materials and more. It is also great for vans converted into campers. The shelf comes with 10 black self-tapping screws, so the shelf can be installed without using power tools. To install, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, spirit level and a marker pen. Place the shelf where you'd like to install it and ensure it is level. Mark the holes with a marker pen. Using a screwdriver, install the shelf with the screws provided. The shelves are large, being 48 cm wide, 13 cm high and 10 cm deep, so are suitable for storing items such as magazines and tools. The shelves can easily be stacked on the door cards, allowing you to install as many as you wish. This item is now available to purchase on our eBay, Amazon and website stores. Check the description for a link to purchase the item. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.